Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good evening once again and welcome to Live Good presentation tonight. I just want to announce, we are having a very soon to have a face-to-face training this January 18. Yan na yung susunod na event na inaantay-antay natin. I hope really to see you guys there. And congratulations do sa mga may ticket na and dun sa mga wala pa. Sana makaabot pa kayo kasi talagang paubos na yung mga ticket. Alright? And before I continue, let me introduce myself. I am Mon Reyes. I'm one of the Live Good business coaches here. And I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker by profession. Tapos rin po, napagdaanan ko na rin po halos lahat kasi naging empleyado tayo, naging OFW at naging business person. Okay? However, wala doon sa mga pinaggagawa kong yun ang nakapagpatupad ng mga malalaking pangarap ko. Kaya what I did was really look for another option, another venue, another vehicle whereby matutupad yung mga pangarap ko. And then I found Live Good. Na-discover ko si Live Good actually through our coach Ferdy Santiago, Ferds. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin ito. Funny story nga kasi ako yung gustong mag-invite sana sa kanya. But after hearing Live Good, pinag-aralan natin yan syempre. And ito na yung nakita kong nagbigay ng pag-asa para talagang mabago yung buhay ko. Alright? So, that's my story. But this presentation is not about me. Actually, this presentation, as I mentioned kanina, is about you. Kasi posibleng isa ka dito sa mga to We all have our struggles. You can be a single mom or a single parent na mo problema ka kasi hindi na nga magkasya yung kinikita mo ngayon. Paano papag-aaralin yung anak mo? Okay? Or you can be an OFW. Every time na umaalis ka ng Pilipinas, talagang nangungulila ka. Even your family that you live behind, sila mismo nangungulila din sa presence mo. Kaya naramdaman ko po yan. Kasi the reason why 4 years lang ako nag-OFW is because yung anak ko lumalaki nang hindi ko nakikita, nang hindi ko kasama. Kaya umayaw na ako sa pagiging OFW. Or you can be starting with your career and then you realized you're overworked, underpaid. Tapos talagang since bata ka, you want to have significance in life. Hindi ka nga mapakain ng sweldo mo, significance pa, di ba? Or you can be at the prime of your age naman, tapos it's either you're already retired or retiring na. Ang worry mo naman, paano na? Kasi wala ka nang kita tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung gastos. Okay? If any of this is your struggle, if you can relate to any of this, I'm telling you that Live Good is for you. Because Live Good is the solution to all our struggles. Okay? Kung gusto nyong mabago yung buhay nyo instead na dun sa mga pictures kanina na talagang mga miserable yung itsura, gusto nyong sumaya kasama yung pamilya nyo, for good na kayo dito sa Philippines, then do Live Good. Because Live Good is offering you something that none of the traditional business, employment, or other active income is offering. Okay? Live Good is offering you passive income for life. Yes, ano ba yung passive income? Simply put, passive income is an income derived with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Meaning wala ka nang ginagawa halos or napaka-konti na lang nung ginagawa mo pero yung income tuloy-tuloy pumapasok sa'yo. Kaya nga sinabi ko dito sa Live Good, talagang matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Kasi yan yung ibibigay ni Live Good sa'yo if you really do the business right. Alright? However, baka sabihin nyo naman, all companies are promising that mababago buhay mo, matutupad mga pangarap mo, magkakaroon ka ng financial freedom kasi dito may passive income. So what makes Live Good different? Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, kung meron kayong alam about multi-level marketing, networking, kalimutan nyo po lahat yan because Live Good is a multi-level marketing. Kasi po talagang iniba ni Live Good yung traditionaling nakagasnan sa industriya. Unang-una, no overpriced products sa Live Good. Bawal dito yung salitang mahal tsaka expensive. In fact, makikita nyo yung products natin, halos 1/4 lang ng mga presyo ng ibang brands. pero yung quality natin napakatataas. Why? Because all our products, all are good quality products. We can get them at almost manufacturing price. Ganun po kababa. Hindi na po halos dinagdagan ng pangkita. Talagang hindi po pagkakakitaan yung produkto dito. We are not product-centered. Alright? So therefore, dito hindi ka pipilitin na bumili ng package para lang maka-join. Hindi mo kailangan maglabas dito ng 60,000 or 100,000. In fact, dito, sa ibang company, usually sinasabi kung magkano sa dulo yan, di ba? Kasi medyo i-excite ka muna, talagang gustong-gusto mo nang sumali, tsaka sasabihin sa'yo, to join, you need to buy a package worth 60,000 or 100,000. Dito, no huge cash out to join. In fact, you only need $49.95. Magkano po yan? Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. And the good thing is, yung $40 dyan, one time lang. Okay, kaya dito, no huge monthly auto ship. One time lang yung $40. Ano yung $9.95? Yun yung subscription natin monthly. Okay, yun lang. Yun lang yung i-maintain mo monthly. You're maintained as a member. You continuously do the business. But I'm telling you, I'll show you later, napakalaki ng opportunity ng kitaan dito. Okay, since we're not product-based, no rank-ups based on volume. In fact, napakadali pong mag-rank up dito. Napakadaling ma-promote dito sa Live Good. In 36% ng mga bagong salin nag-rank up on their first week. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Bukod sa bumalik na yung $49.95 nila, and talagang nag-promote na sila to the next position, which is bronze. Alright, since we're not product-centered, no selling, no quota. Kasi nga hindi ka pinabili dito, hindi ka pinipilit bumili ng produkto. Dito, you buy what you want, when you want, if you want. Yun lang po. Kung kailan mo gusto, kung gusto mong bumili ngayon, bili ka. Kung ayaw mo, okay lang. So long as you're maintaining your subscription and remaining a member of Live Good. Alright? And dito, no more back to zero. Ano yung back to zero na yan? Yan yung kinakatakutan ng mga distributor ng other companies, especially pag nagpapalit yung buwan. Kasi alam nila, lahat ng pinagpaguran nila nung nakaraang buwan, mawawala lahat yon, and they'll be starting from scratch. Here, you get paid for all the efforts, for all your efforts. Kung ano yung effort na ibinigay mo, provided that it is naging successful, then you get paid automatically. Hindi ka na pahihirapan. Wala na yung mga purchase qualification, point system, PV, GV, wala na po lahat yan dito. Okay? Pag may pinasok ka dito, babayaran ka. Ang maganda nito, makakapag-leverage ka pa dun sa trabaho ng mga nasa organization mo. I'll tell you about that later. And that's the reason why, since very different si Live Good, that's the reason why a lot of people really, nung nakita nila, hindi na nila pinakawalan si Live Good. In fact, Live Good, as we speak, has over 994,000 members worldwide. Konting-konti na lang po. 1 million na tayo. I'm sure that by tomorrow, kasi tomorrow is cut off, madadagdagan pa yung number na yan, and most likely, aabot na tayo or lalagpas pa tayo ng 1 million. Alright? Now, to better discuss what Live Good is, mas maganda sigurong ang mag-explain sa inyo yung pinaka nagsimula nito, yung founder nito, and siya rin yung ating CEO. Okay? Kasi Live Good really is a revolution. It's revolutionizing the industry. It's changing everything that we know about the industry, the networking industry, and it's changing for a much better model. Okay? So ang tanong nga is, are you ready? Are you ready for a revolution? All right. So at this point, I want you to watch this video done by our CEO, Ben Glinsky himself. Makinig po kayo maigi kasi siya na mismo ang mag-i-explain sa inyo kung ano si Live Good. Alright? Sige. Let's watch.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. And the most exciting company in the industry. Totoo po yan. In fact, never has it happened na sa isang taon or a little over 1 year, aabot ng 1 million ang member ng isang company. It's very phenomenal. The growth is very phenomenal. At nakita nyo na po, narinig nyo na from our CEO himself, how Live Good differs. Iniba po natin ng todo yung kanyang, especially the business model. We're more of a membership club. Okay? But Live Good is not like any other membership club because Live Good is the membership club that pays. Yun ang maganda ron. Talagang we have an affiliate program whereby babayaran ka ni Live Good sa lahat ng effort na ipuput in mo to your business. At ang maganda nito, makakapag-leverage ka pa dun sa effort nung mga naisama mo dito. Okay? Now, if you're not so familiar with membership, let me show you some of the popular membership out there. Meron tayong tinatawag na Amazon Prime. Si Amazon Prime po, naniningil yan ng $14.99 or $139 per year sa mga members niya. Pero 161 million members po ang meron si Amazon Prime. Lahat yan willing magbayad sa kanila ng subscription. Why? Because they get value from being a member of Amazon Prime. Same thing with Sam's Club. That's $100 naman per year. 47 million po ang members ng SAM. Okay? Now, kung mahilig ka naman manood ng movies or shows, si Netflix naman yung para sa'yo. Okay? Yan yung unlimited binge watching of telenovelas or repeated watching of movies, di ba? Pero hindi po libre yan. We pay $9.99, $15.49 or $19.99. Depende po dun sa package na pinili natin. Guess what? Meron siyang 232 million subscribers or members. Alright? Lahat po yan nagbabayad ng monthly nila. Kasi pag hindi sila nakapagbayad ng monthly nila, mapuputol din yung access nila dun sa mga shows na nasa Netflix. Alright? Disney Premium is pretty much the same. $10.99 a month naman siya or $109.99 per year. 42 million members po. Alright? If I can compare Live Good to any of these membership clubs, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco. However, Costco is a physical store. Sikat po yan sa Amerika, sa Canada, and other European countries. Okay? Ang sinisingil ni Costco sa kanilang mga member is $120 per year. And members are willing to pay that. Bakit? Kasi may nakukuha silang value by being a member of Costco. Ano yun? Being a member of Costco, makakaroon sila ng access dun sa store ng Costco. At dun sa loob ng store, dun sila makakapamili ng mga produkto at wholesale price. Kaya umaabot na po ng 123 million members ang Costco alone. Alright? Ganyan po kalaki, ganyan karami ang mga members ng mga membership clubs. Alright, now if you think, paano naman kikita yung mga membership clubs na yan? $9 lang binabayad. Wala nga nag-$20 a month dyan eh. So pakita ko lang po sa inyo ang kinikita ng mga nasa subscription tsaka membership club companies. Okay? Si Zoom, etong ginagamit nating Zoom, pwede naman tong gamitin ng libre. Kaso after 40 minutes, mapuputol na tayo. However, kung gusto mong tuloy-tuloy, magbabayad ka ng subscription. Magkano subscription? For 100 participants, alam ko nasa $14 a month yan. And if you fail to pay that month, that subscription, tanggal din yung access mo doon. Balik ka doon sa 40 minutes lang. Alright? And guess what? Sa dami po ng nagsusubscribe kay Zoom, umabot po ng $4.46 billion yung kinita ni Zoom sa loob ng isang taon. Alright? Si Netflix, 238 million subscribers, umabot po ng $31.6 billion yung kanyang kinita. Okay, si Costco, 123 million subscribers, umabot ng $4.2 billion from the membership fee alone. Membership fee pa lang po yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. Kumikita pa rin sila dun sa mga products na binebenta nila sa loob ng store. Why am I showing you this? Because we belong to this industry right now. Ito yung business model na inadapt ni Live Good. Membership club, tapos ang payment natin through subscription. If these companies grew to be this big, guess what? Yan yung future ni Live Good. In fact, yung future ni Live Good, mas malaki dyan. Kasi yung mga companies na yan, hindi nagbabayad ng mga members nila yan. Mga members lang ang bayad ng bayad sa kanila. Ang yumayaman lang dyan yung kumpanya mismo. Sa Live Good po, Live Good is a membership club that pays. Ulitin ko na naman, ano? In fact, in Live Good, you can earn money as a club member whether or not you refer other members to the program. But I'm telling you, sa ganda po ng Live Good is actually a blessing. It's an answer to our prayers. Kung meron po kayong magandang natanggap, it is your obligation to share it to many. Kaya wag niyo pong sarilhin ng Live Good at maghintay lang ng kita. Instead, share it to as many people as you can. Alright? So to give you a little background about Live Good, nagsimula po tayo December 13, 2022. Yes, nag-isang taon pa lang po tayo last December. But look at the growth. Umaabot na tayo ng 994,000 members as we speak. Okay? It started in Jupiter, Florida. In fact, andun po yung warehouse natin tsaka yung head office nasa Jupiter, Florida. So if you're looking for documentation about Live Good, wala po kayong makikita dito sa Philippines. Kahit maghanap kayo kung sang government agencies meron tayo dito. Instead, makikita nyo yung kanyang legality sa state of Florida. Ang maganda niyan, you don't need to go to Florida to look up, to find it. In fact, available po yan sa website ng State of Florida. Ayan po, nag-download na ako at kinabit ko na rito para makita nyo. These are some of the documentations that proves na talagang Live Good is legit. Live Good is updated when it comes to its registration, and I'm sure this coming April, at pati nga pala yung andyan din nga pala yung incorporation, yung bylaws and articles of incorporation and Live Good. You can find it there. All right? So if you want to know, is Live Good legit? Yes na yes po. All right? So let me show you the people behind Live Good. Si Ben Glinsky po, yung narinig nyo kanina sa video, siya yung ating CEO. He's the founder of Live Good. What we love most about Ben is that he leads by example. His focus is on helping others. At makikita mo po yan. Every time you watch him sa mga Zoom niya, talagang mararamdaman mo na yung puso niya nandun sa mga tao. He has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Talagang on hand po siya. Ben knows how to help people win. Okay, so what Ben did, nag-form siya ng team of champions in their own industry. Unang-una na dyan si Ryan Goodkin. Ryan Goodkin has a doctorate in pharmacy and a degree in science and nutrition. Dalawang science po pinagsama. And he is our product formulator. Ang maganda po kay Doc Ryan, sinabi niya mismo, I don't create products to sell. I create products to use and for my family to use. That's a double benefit for us. Why? Kasi if we use Live Good, not only is it very effective, not only is it of high quality, we know very well that it's safe. Kasi walang tao na magbibigay sa kanyang sarili tsaka sa kanyang pamilya ng ikasasama nito. Alright? Lisa Goodkin naman is our Director of Product Education. She is a holistic coach, health coach, wellness coach. Okay? Talagang not only will she teach us about our products, she would also teach us about good health habits like sleeping habits, exercises, and whatnot. Ang passion naman po niya gawing healthy ang lahat ng tao. Alright? Nodar Kazan is our Director of Network Marketing. In terms, pagdating po sa industriya, legend na po yan si Nodar Kazan. He's been in an industry for 30 years, I believe. Since 1998 po, nagtitraining na yan. Trainer na po yan ng mga leaders sa industriya natin. And he has seen it all. He has seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting in the industry. And nung tinayo si Live Good, tinanggal niya lahat ng bad, ugly, and disgusting. Tapos yung good, lalo pa niyang in-enhance. Alright? Kaya talaga, these people are really leaders in their own field. And true leadership creates true success. And that's the company where we belong. Alright? Live Good mission. Check out our mission to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Talagang helping people. Yun yung pinaka mission ni Live Good. The reason why Live Good was created is to help people. 'Di ba? Sa mission statement pa lang napaka people-centered na eh. And that's change. Saan ka nakakita ng company na ang talagang ang first priority niya is makatulong sa tao, hindi kumita. Alright? And it's time to make a change. Alright. Just to show you some of our products, actually ito po. Yan na po. Yan na yung complete product line natin. Ay, kulang pa kasi kadadagdag lang ng ating essential oils. Wala pa sa picture yung ating essential oils. We have over 20 premium quality health, life-changing health products. Yes, it's really life-changing. Tsaka kasi talagang mararamdaman mo yung pagbabago sa katawan mo. And because you're healthy, nawawala na rin yung stress mo. And since nagiging wealthy ka rin sa Live Good, talagang completely stress-free ka na. Okay? Raw ingredients are from the most pristine location in the planet. Kung saan siya magandang tumubo, dun po siya hinarvest. World-class manufacturing facilities. Made in USA, approved by GMP. If you want to check GMP, i-google nyo lang po, it's good manufacturing practice. And you will find na talagang hindi sila basta-basta nag-a-approve ng mga companies. Napakataas po ng standards niyan. Alright? Pero tayo, approved by GMP. Lab tested for purity and potency, certificate of analysis. We are very transparent in sharing our certificate of analysis to our users. Bago nyo gamitin yung produkto natin, basahin nyo muna yung certificate of analysis para alam nyo kung ano yung nasa loob ng ating mga products. And we are available in over 200 countries. Yan po ang kagandahan ng internet. We are dropshipping. Dropshipping po kasi yung style natin of ordering products. Meaning, online na po yung pag-order, online na yung pagbayad. Right after mo bayaran, ipapack po yan, tapos isi-ship na yan. And it would arrive dun sa inyong doorstep. In fact, meron ako nakita kanina dito sa chat, dumating na po yung produkto namin, International Wellness Pack. And kinuha nila dun sa post office sa Parañaque, to which sinabi sa kanila, nakilala ako. Okay? Actually, suki ako doon kami pumipick up din ng products. Now, to prove the quality of our products, yan po, yung mga logo ng different companies na nagsacertify sa atin. They are very willing to put their logo in our products para malaman ng mga gagamit nito na talagang of quality lahat ng mga produkto natin. Alright? To show you yung certificate of analysis, here is a sample. It's conducted by a third-party laboratory and talagang transparent tayo kung ano ang laman ng ating mga produkto. Hindi tulad ng iba, talagang tinatago nila kung ano yung produkto nila eh. Kasi yung ibang produkto, kinanaw lang sa likod bakuran, nilagay sa magandang bote, tapos binenta ng mahal. Dito po, hindi. Despite our high quality, our premium quality products, napakababa po ng ating mga presyo. Kasi at Live Good, ayan, because at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Ang kagandahan po niyan, starting pa lang po yan, flagship products pa lang po yung mga health products na yan. In fact, padami pa po ng padami yan in the years to come. And time will come, lalabas na tayo sa health products, pupunta na tayo sa ibang mga like clothings, like household, mga ibang gamit na. And I can assure you two things. One, they are of great quality, and two, they are of affordable prices. Yan, ganyan po. Yan yung value na marireceive nyo when you become a member of Live Good. Alright? Because Live Good is not about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products to start with. Okay? Kaya yung ano sinabi ko, padagdag lang ng padagdag yan. Break muna. Alright. To continue, traditionally, talagang sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Kalimutan nyo na lahat ng alam nyo tungkol sa industriya natin. Kasi traditionally talaga, minamahalan ng mga companies yung presyo ng mga products nila. Mamamanufacture, yung mga health products, namamanufacture yan ng mga $10 lang eh. Pero pag binenta sa atin ng ibang companies, nasa $100, $120 per item or per product. Dito po hindi. Kung halimbawa na manufacture natin ng $10, most likely i-presyo dyan $14 lang. Ganun lang kababa. Just enough to cover the overhead and some other expenses. And then yun na. Yun na yung presyo ng produkto natin. Kasi po, sabi ko nga, traditionally, okay yan. Ginagawa talaga yan sa ibang companies. Ang tawag dyan, price gouging. Kasi doon nila kinukuha yung pambayad ng mga warehouses nila, ng country managers nila, ng mga staff, even yung mga top earners nila sa compensation plan, doon nila kinukuha. And we want to put an end to that. Kasi pwede naman kumita ang lahat nang hindi bumibili ng mahal na produkto. Ayan nga, sabi nga dito sa illustration, si David and Goliath, tayo si David kasi maliit pa tayo, di ba? Bata pa tayo. However, the giants of the industry who are practicing price gouging MLMs, sila nga yung talagang galit na galit sa atin. Kasi bakit mo binaba yung presyo? Si David and Goliath yan. If you know the story of the biblical story of David and Goliath, David with the sling and a stone, pinatumba niya si Goliath. Napakaliit niya as compared kay Goliath. Si David parang si Live Good kasi maliit pa tayo eh. We're just 1 year in existence. Si Goliath, yun yung mga giant companies, mga 30 years na, 25 years na, yet they're practicing price gouging. Okay? Since we want to put an end to that, ayan, nararamdaman na nila yung presence natin. Kasi ayaw nila yun eh, na merong isang company magbababa ng presyo. Kasi kinakatakot nila yon. Saan na sila ngayon kukuha ng nung kita nila, nung pambayad nila doon sa mga top earners nila. Kaya nga sabi ni Nodor Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. And that's really happening doon sa traditional way. Iilan lang talaga na yung namamayagpag. Dito po, lahat tayo kikita. At pag ginawa mo yung negosyo, yayaman ka. And you don't really need to wait for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Dito po, in a matter of 1 year, marami na pong yumaman. Marami na pong napayaman ng Live Good. Alright. Just to show you some of our products, ito yung favorite ko dyan. Favorite ko tong product na to, si Super Reds, kasi para siya sa cardiovascular system or our blood circulation. Ang maganda kasi sa blood circulation natin, pag maganda yung blood circulation natin, na-deliver yung nutrients and oxygen sa lahat ng parte ng katawan natin. Isa siyang vasodilator. Alright? I want you to have particular attention. Put your attention dun sa prices ng mga kalaban. Imagine, ito na yung pinakamalapit pero in terms of quality, mas maganda pa rin yung sa atin. $69.99, $39.95. Sa Live Good, pag member ka, $18 lang ibabayad mo. Kung hindi ka member, pwede ka pa rin bumili, pero retail price, $24. Mas mababa pa rin compared dun sa mga competitors or sa mga ibang brands, di ba? And then ito pa, si collagen. Collagen peptides, maganda yan. Pampabata naman yan. Kasi what it does, pinapaganda yung quality ng skin natin, pinapatibay yung bones natin, yung mga joints natin, inaayos niyan. At ang maganda sa collagen natin, yung ibang collagen kasi collagen lang talaga laman eh. Yung ating collagen peptide, sinamahan pa ni Doc Ryan ng tatlong ingredients na talagang nagko-complement lalo nung effect ng collagen sa katawan natin. O di ba mas maganda? Tignan niyo yung presyo, $79.96, $69.95. Sa atin, $27.95 if you're a member. And if you buy it in retail, mababa pa rin, $34.95. Pero ba't mo bibilin in retail? Mag-member ka lang, magkano yung membership? $9.95. Mag-member ka lang, makukuha mo na at member's price halos makuha mo siya at manufacturing price. 'Di ba? So, yung mga wise talagang nagme-member muna before they buy products. Alright. Factor 4 is again another one of the best products of Live Good kasi anti-inflammatory naman to. Lahat po ng mga sakit natin nagsisimula yan sa pamamaga. Nagiging chronic o tumatagal yung pamamaga, ayan, minsan nagli-lead to cancer or other diseases. Okay? And factor 4, napakaganda po. If you can see the ingredients, if you can read at the dun sa description niya, dun sa ating website, makikita niyo napakaganda ng mga pinagsama-samang ingredients ng factor 4. Look at the prices. $58.42, $56 for the other company. Sa atin, pag member ka, $18.50. Pag retail mo bibilin, $24.95. Mababa pa rin. Di ba? Ito pa. We come up with a package na napakaganda. Essential po. Lahat ng kailangan ng katawan natin nandito na. May super reds, super greens, factor 4, D3K2 para sa puso din, ultra magnesium. Did you know that over 300 chemical reactions in our body ang responsible dyan si magnesium? So kung halimbawa may problema ka or something's wrong with your body, most likely deficient ka sa magnesium. Okay? And multivitamins, pinagsama-sama, ilang produkto yan? 6. Magkano po? Members price, $89.95 lang. Retail price, $129.95. At ang maganda nito, free shipping yan. Wala ka na idadagdag dyan. Pag in-order mo yan, ang babayaran mo $89.95, dadating po sa doorstep nyo yan. Alright? Now, hindi ko na isa-isahin lahat ng produkto natin, di ba? Kasi over 20 yun, maubusan tayo ng oras. If you want to learn more about our products, you just go to livegood.com. Pindutin nyo po yung products. Tapos, in every products, may button na learn more. Pindutin nyo yun. Mababasa nyo yung description ng products natin. In fact, how to take them, nandun din. Talagang tuturuan kayo. Napakaganda po ng ating mga websites. Alright. So, maybe you're asking how to become a member. Kasi nakita mo, ang baba nga naman ng babayaran pag member ka. Simple lang po. You just have to pay the subscription of $9.95 monthly. Okay? And then if you want na maka-further discount, you pay for 1 year, $99.95. So how do you register? Balikan nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo dito sa Zoom na to or nagbigay ng Zoom link nyo. Hingin nyo po yung sponsors link. Doon po kayo pwedeng mag-register. And once you become a member, you'll save up to 75% or more compared to products in other direct selling company. The moment you become a member, kayang-kaya nyo na po magpaka-healthy. Hindi nyo na po paghihinayangan maging malusog. Okay? Pero as member po, ang matatanggap nyo lang dyan, ang pinaka-value na marireceive nyo are the discounts or the savings. Pero napakagandang value na po niyan. Imagine, nakita nyo naman yung comparison ng different products. Ang laki ng masisave nyo dito if you're a member of Live Good. And remember, $1 save is $1 earned. Kasi yung savings mo, pwede mo lang pambayad ng bills yan eh. Pwede mo lang idagdag sa matrikula ni Junior yan, di ba? So talagang dyan pa lang, kita ka na. However, would you like to earn more? Yun yung tanong ko. In fact, ang tanong dito is, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung or more, tsaka yung per month. Kasi tuloy-tuloy yan once you start earning. Alright? So if you're interested to learn more, I want you to talagang, kung medyo kanina may distraction ka pa dyan, iniisip mo pa kung ano kakainin mo, kalimutan mo na muna ngayon at makinig ka ng gusto. Kasi ngayon, pag-uusapan na natin kung paano kumita dito. Kung paano kumita sa Live Good. So, member, discount. Pag gusto mong kumita, you become an affiliate. You enter the affiliate program. So, you become an affiliate member. Ano naman yung affiliate? Okay, just to give you an idea what an affiliate is. Si Live Good po kasi, hindi yan nag-advertise. Hindi yan, wala kang makikitang advertisement yan sa TV, sa radio, sa movies, sa billboards, or even the internet. Wala pong ads talaga yan. Ngayon, instead na magbayad sila sa mga mamahaling artista, tsaka sa mga airtime sa TV, ang ginawa nila, they come up with an affiliate program. Ang advertisement nila is through word of mouth. Ano yung word of mouth? Ikikwento nyo lang po sa mga kakilala nyo about Live Good. Kayo yung magiging advertisement ni Live Good. Alright? And once you become affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn to the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Mamaya papakita ko yung compensation plan na talagang ma-excite kayo. So again, in a nutshell, ano yung affiliate? Unang-una, you join. You join the affiliate program, and once you join, you start promoting. Yun yung sinasabi kong ikikwento nyo lang. Ano na natin yan second nature na natin yan Kasi pag meron tayong magandang experience, ano ginagawa natin? Kinikwento natin sa mga kakilala natin, di ba? So talagang, ano na yan, automatic na sa atin. Pero this time, babayaran ka ni Live Good if you do that. Alright? So join, promote, and earn. Ganun po, kasimple ang affiliate marketing. So how do you become an affiliate? Again, register with your sponsors link. Ano ba yung sponsors link? Yung pong nag-invite sa inyo dito na affiliate member na, meron siyang link, ibibigay sa inyo. Doon po nyo ilalagay yung first name, last name, and email nyo. And then doon na rin kayo mag-join kasi you need to pay to become an affiliate member. Ano po yung babayaran nyo? One-time fee of $40 plus first month subscription of $9.95, a total of $49.95. Yan yung sinabi ko nung simula. Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. Kayang-kaya po. Kung kayang-kaya nyo yan at maraming taong kayang-kaya maglabas ng 3,000. Hindi tulad sa ibang company, sisingilin ka 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Excited na excited ka, gusto mong sumali, biglang sasabihin sa iyo, you need 60,000 para makabili ng package. Bigla kang alam mo yon, parang si Patman yung tung. Anyway, dito pa, madali nang makasali, madali pang magpasali. Alright? And then after that, since one time yung $40, the following month, ang babayaran mo na lang $9.95. Yan naman yung $5.80. Yung sinabi kong magtipid ka lang ng 20 araw-araw. Covered na yung subscription mo. Alright, so what do you get out of the $49.95? Yung iba kasi nag-expect ng products. Meron po tayong products pero digital products. The way we act, the way we move kasi, since membership club tayo, what you receive is the membership. Unang-una, as a member, makukuha nyo na yung, magkakaroon kayo ng access dun sa online shop whereby mabibili nyo yung products at the member's price. Yung pinakita ko kaninang napakababang presyo. So magkakaroon na kayo na ngayon ng savings. And then, since alam ni Live Good, nakita, nag-affiliate program ka, nag-affiliate member ka, bibigyan ka niya ng tools, digital marketing products, tools and trainings. In fact, ito pong Zoom na to, this is one of the tools that you can use and abuse. Kung hindi pa kayo marunong mag-present, all you need to do, give them the Zoom link, pa-attendin nyo rito, ako magpe-present, ako magko-close, pero yung account sa inyo. Alright? As an affiliate member, you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan. All right, this to show you the digital marketing products available. Ayan po. We have 3 main websites. Yung una, yung pinaka-business site natin. Diyan mo makikita lahat ng movement dun sa business mo. Okay, di ba sabi ko magre-refer tayo ng tao. So lahat ng successfully mare-refer mo, makikita mo dyan. Lahat ng successfully mare-refer nila, makikita mo rin dyan. Yung successfully mare-refer nung na-refer mo, makikita mo rin dyan. Bakit importante yan? Kasi po dito sa Live Good, hindi ka babayaran sa effort mo lang. In fact, makaka-leverage ka dun sa mga taong mai-invite mo to join Live Good. Pag personally na-invite mo siya, nagtrabaho siya, kikita ka pa po sa trabaho niya. Pati dun sa mga na-invite niya. Pati dun sa mga na-invite niya. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Ito naman nasa kanan, yan yung sinasabi kong sponsors link, yung tour link natin. Yan yung pinapadala natin dun sa mga gusto natin maging affiliate members din. Diyan sila magre-register. Tuloy-tuloy bayad na. Okay? Para maging part ng Live Good. Ito naman nasa baba, sa kaliwa, yan yung ating shop. Online shop. Binibigay naman yan dun sa mga customers na gusto bumili ng products pero ayaw mag-member. mayaman eh. Di ba? Gusto bilhin at retail. Okay lang yun. Sige, bigay niyo yung link nyo, yung shop link nyo, dyan sila mag-order kasi dyan makikita niya mga retail prices. At ang kagandahan yan, every time na may bumili sa shop link mo, sa personalized shop link mo, meron ka pang kita. By the way, lahat tong mga website na to, andyan yung pangalan mo, personalized sa'yo yan. Alright? And then, initially, yan tatlong website na yan lang ang available when we started. Pero nadagdagan na po, meron na tayong mga product landing page. We have one for Super Reds, another one for Super Greens, at meron din tayo for Magnesium coming up soon. Alright? Nakita nyo, sabi ko kanina, initially, yan tatlo lang ang available, tapos nadagdagan na ng dalawa, magiging tatlo na. Ang tanong, nagbayad pa ba ako ng extra? Hindi na po. Kasi nga, one time lang yung $40. Yun lang po, yung one time pagbabayad ko ng $40. Ang nangyari, monthly na lang yung pagbabayad ko ng $9.95. In fact, hindi na ako nagma-monthly kasi naka-annual na ako eh. Nagbayad ako ng $99.95. Wala nang intindihin. Okay, and yun ang sinasuggest namin sa lahat ng mga members. Mag-annual na po kayo kasi makakatipid na kayo. Hindi nyo pa iintindihin yung subscription nyo. Bakit? Kasi pwede tayong kumita sa subscription. Ang tanong, how to make money in subscriptions? Alright. Sabi ko kanina, makinig kayo maigi kasi ito na po. Pag-uusapan na natin yung compensation plan. Now, our compensation plan is powered by two structures. Yung unang structure is unilevel. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Lahat ng directly marirefer mo sa LiveGood, they would fall on your level 1. And unlimited po yan. You can refer 10, 100, 1,000. Kung ilan ang gusto nyong i-refer, pwede po. At babayaran kayo ni LiveGood every time na makapag-successfully refer kayo. Ngayon, yung mga marirefer nung na-refer mo, they would fall on your level 2. That's how a unilevel structure looks like. Yung na-refer mo, they would be on your level 3. And so on and so forth hanggang umabot ng level 10. Bakit level 10? Kasi babayaran kayo ni LiveGood up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Yes, mamaya po didiscuss natin yung ranking kasi meron po tayong ranking dito. Sabi ko nga kanina, ina-acknowledge ni LiveGood yung mga effort natin. Yung mga nagbibigay ng effort by promoting them to the higher rank. And when you get promoted to the higher rank, you get better compensation. Alright? You're opening the doors to more compensation. Alright, yung second structure naman natin is our force matrix. Ano naman yung force matrix? To better explain it, pag naging affiliate member kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong matrix whereby ikaw yung ulo, ikaw yung una. Tapos system assigned to, ang i-assign lang ni system sa iyo sa matrix, 2 tao lang. Okay, tanong mo, sabi mo unlimited yung pwede kong i-invite. Paano mangyayari dun sa iba? Ang gagawin po ni Matrix, i-assign niya yung iba dun sa ilalim nung mga napunta sa ilalim mo. Okay? Basta ang importante dito, 2 lang bawat tao. Okay? Kaya magmumukhang triangle yan. And ang maganda nito, may matrix kang sarili but you belong to a bigger matrix. Meaning may mga tao sa ibabaw mo. Hindi lang po isa, hindi lang yung directly nag-enroll sa iyo, pero may mga tao pa sa itaas niya, at sa itaas nun. Alright? Mamaya ipapakita ko bakit importante kong sinabi yon. Basta tatandaan niyo to, unilevel tsaka matrix, force matrix. Why is this important? Kasi dyan po i-compute yung ating compensation plan. Because here in LiveGood, we have 7 ways to earn. Alright? Are you ready? Makinig kayong maigi kasi kitaan na tong pag-uusapan natin. So we have 7 ways to earn and we use the 2 different structure to compute it. Ano yung mga ways na yan? Weekly fast start, retail commission. With this way of earning, ang gagamitin natin yung unilevel structure. Matrix commission, ang gagamitin naman yung force matrix. Bakit meron sa gitnang matching bonus? Kasi yung matching bonus parang hybrid yan. Pinagko-combine yung unilevel, tsaka yung matrix para computein yan. At mamaya, pag dinidiscuss ko na yan, makinig ka maigi. Kasi yan yung kitaan na magpapayaman sa'yo. Yan yung kitaan na magpapatupad ng mga pangarap mo. Okay, meron din tayong influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool, plus meron pang bagong dagdag, yung customer acquisition bonus. Alright, mamaya didiscuss ko na lang briefly. So let's start with the fast start bonus. Bakit siya fast? Kasi mabilis siyang matanggap. Okay, bakit siya weekly? Kasi weekly siya nire-release. Alright, ano ibig sabihin yan? Di ba ikaw, when you started, you paid for $49.95. Right? Ngayon, you start referring people, every successful referral na magawa mo rito, babayaran ka ng $25. So let's say for example, nakakuha ka ng dalawa this week. Ngayon ka sumali. 'Di ba? Sumali ka ngayon and then shinare mo kaagad sa asawa mo at sa anak mo. Okay, nagsipagsali sila. Meaning, by next Thursday, marireceive mo na yung 25 plus 25, $50. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Bumalik na sa'yo yung nilabas mong $49.95. Alright? And you would receive this every time a person joins you paying $49.95 themselves. Okay? In this example, apat yung napajoin niya, $25 each. May $100 siya. Ang maganda nito, hindi ka limited dun sa mga direct mong nare-refer dito. In fact, you can earn up to the 10th level. Diba? Tsaka ang kagandahan nito, unlimited yung pwede mong ma-direct dito. Every time na makakapag-direct ka, meron kang $25. Okay? So if you are unranked, hanggang first level ka lang. Sino ba yung unranked? Yan yung mga wala pang nare-refer or iisa pa lang yung na-refer. Okay, so siguro may hint na kayo paano maging bronze. Gawin yung dalawa yung i-refer nyo. Pag nakadalawang referral na kayo, magiging bronze na kayo. May enjoy nyo na up to level 2. Alright? Now, yung silver up to levels 3 and 4, si gold up to levels 5 and 6, si platinum up to levels 7 and 8, si diamond up to levels 9 and 10. Okay, we have a separate discussion about how to rank up or how to get promoted. Meron po tayong separate discussion for that. Kaya hindi ko na siya i-discuss. Ang sasabihin ko lang sa inyo, napakasimple lang po kung paano ma-promote dito. Imagine, dalawa lang kunin mo, maging bronze ka na. Diba? So, to be silver, kailangan mo lang 10 tao. Tapos yung 10 tao mo, pakuhain mo kahit tag-isa lang, silver ka na. Ganun lang po kasimple. Alright? Now, that is important also. Important na mag-rank up dito. And people who gets fast start are those who are doing the business, referring people to the program. And remember, weekly nilang matatanggap yan. Alright. Now, si Matrix Commission naman, ang gagamitin pang compute niyan, yung matrix structure. Okay, 'di ba sinabi ko, you would have your own matrix. Tapos may mga taong mapupunta diyan, whether galing sa iyo, galing dun sa mga nakuha mo, or galing dun sa mga taong nasa taas mo. Either way, basta may taong napunta sa matrix mo, babayaran ka ni LiveGood ng 25 cents per person na mapupunta sa matrix mo. Per person na magbabayad ng $9.95 monthly subscription. Kaya monthly mo ngayon matatanggap yan. Ngayon, since yung mga tao dito, tuloy-tuloy lang nagbabayad ng mga subscription nila, yung matrix income na yan, tuloy-tuloy lang din papasok sa iyo. Okay, huwag ka lang magmamadali kasi hindi mangyayari ito kinabukasan, hindi ito agad-agaran. Okay? Kasi dito sa Matrix Commission, monthly Matrix Commission, unang-una, magsusubscribe ka and definitely you have to continuously subscribe para hindi mo mawala yung position mo. And then maghihintay ka lang. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang nagsusubscribe and eventually you will earn. Yes, that Matrix Commission will make you earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Pero sinabi ko nga kanina, di ba? If you receive something of good value, it is your obligation to share it to as many people as you can. Kaya wag na po nating asahan yung paghihintay lang na lumaki yung ating Matrix Commission. Alright? So, tanong nyo siguro, paano naman naabot ng 2,000? 25 cents lang yung binabayad. Ganito po yan. This is how your matrix looks like. So, let's say for example, ikaw si Orange Man. Tapos yung mga tao sa loob ng matrix mo, they are the blue men. Alright? So, ganyan lang po. Level 1 is 2, and then 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and so on. Palaki lang po ng palaki ang base niyan. Alright? And parami lang ng parami yung mga tao niyan. Ang maganda niyan, if you are unranked, meaning wala ka pang naisasama dito or iisa pa lang yung na successfully na refer mo rito, babayaran ka ni LiveGood ng Matrix Commission up to the 12 level. So pag inad mo lahat yun, yung 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on, pag inad mo lahat yon up to the 12 level, aabot ng 8,190 people in your matrix. I-multiply mo ngayon ng 25 cents. Meron kang $2,047.50. Diyan po kinukuha, diyan po kukunin yung sinabi namin, you can earn up to $2,000 even without enrolling a single person in the program. Alright? Now, kung kailan mapupuno yan, hindi ko po alam. Pwedeng mabagal, pwede ring mabilis. Meron pong mga tao dito na talagang mabilis na pupuno yung matrix nila. Meron din naman matagal. Minsan months na wala pa rin napupunta sa matrix nila. Okay? Pero ito po kagandahan yan. Hindi natin kailangan punuin yan bago magsimulang kumita. In fact, magkaroon ng isang tao lang sa matrix mo, may 25 cents ka na. Pag 4 na tao, meron ka ng $1. So think about this. If you already have 40 people in your matrix, you are already receiving $10. Magkano po yung monthly subscription natin? $9.95. That means, once na umabot ng 40 yung tao sa matrix mo, your business is already paying for its own. Alright? Di ba ang ganda? Now, don't be contented with this. Don't be contented and wait for the matrix to fill up kasi 25 cents lang yan. What you do is you share the business to as many people as you can so you'd be promoted to the higher ranks. Kasi when you get promoted to become bronze or silver, you get to enjoy up to level 13. Biglang na doble yung matrix income mo kasi aabot na ng $4,095.50 yung matrix income mo. Pag nag-gold or platinum ka pa, hanggang level 14 ka, naging 8,191.50 na yung matrix income mo. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to level 15. That's $16,383.50. 900,000 pesos po yan. At monthly income po yan. So, sino ang aayaw ma-promote? Di ba? Tanggalin nyo na po sa isip nyo yung, maghihintay lang pala eh. Hindi po. Gawin natin yung business, i-share natin. At ang maganda nito, lahat ng na-sharean mo dito, lahat ng mga successfully mare-refer mo rito, mabe-bless din tulad mo. Now, if you want to, kung gusto mong pabilisin yung pagpuno ng matrix mo, meron po tayong strategy. Ano yung strategy natin? Get to, teach them to get to. Okay? And then teach them to teach those to get to. Okay, ano mangyayari niyan? Di ba nagsimula, ikaw lang mag-isa. Kumuha ka ng 2. So that's an additional 2 on your first week. And then yung 2 kinuha mo, tinuruan mong kumuha ng 2. So nagkaroon ng 4, additional 4 in your matrix. And then yung 4, tinuruan yung kumuha ng 2, naging 8, 16, 32, 64. On the 12th week pa lang po, kung talagang nangyayari to weekly, naging kultura na sa organisasyon nyo, na kada may sasali, kukuha ng 2 automatic on their first week. On the 12th week pa lang po, umaabot na ng 8,190 people in your matrix. Meaning, yung matrix income nyo, umaabot na ng 2,047.50. Okay, and since kumuha ka ng 2, naging bronze ka, up to level 13 ka. On the 13th week, aabot na po ng 4,095.50 yung inyong matrix income. Now, yung pagkuha ng 2 will get you promoted only up to bronze. So this is what you do. You get to, teach them to get to, and then repeat. Pag nakakuha na sila ng 2 or tuloy-tuloy nang nangyayari dun sa una mong kinuha na Tagalawa, i-repeat mo lang. You get another 2, teach them to get to, and then get another 2, teach them to get to, para ma-promote ka to the higher position. Kasi when you become diamond, di ba, you get to enjoy up to level 15. Pag tuloy-tuloy yan, on the 15th week, puno na po yung matrix nyo. And you're already receiving that 900,000 pesos monthly income in your matrix. Okay? Now, if you think that the fast start bonus and the matrix bonus is very, very mataas na, wait till you see this, si matching bonus. Si matching bonus po kasi, sabi ko kanina, it's a combination of the unilevel and the matrix. Di ba when you started, nag-iisa ka, nagkaroon ka ng matrix mo. And then dahan-dahan na pupuno yan. Now you're starting to receive matrix income. Ganun din po yung mangyayari sa lahat ng marerefer mo rito. Okay, so yung mga direct referral mo, they would have their own matrix as well. And they would have their own matrix income as well. Ang gagawin ni LiveGood, since ikaw yung nakapagpapasok sa kanila, since through you, nakilala nila si LiveGood, i-reward ka ni LiveGood. Alright? Ano ibibigay sa'yo? 50% ng kung magkano yung matrix income nila. Marireceive nila ng buo yung matrix income nila, dadagdagan lang ni LiveGood ng 50% matching yung kita mo. Okay? At ang maganda niyan, unlimited yung pwede mong madirect dito. So let's say for example, nakapagpapasok ka ng 4 na tao. 4 na tao. Now, si A, si B, si C, tsaka si D. Si A ngayon, in time, umaabot na ng 1,000 yung kanyang matrix income. So magkano matching mo? $500 kasi 50%. Si B, umabot na ng 500, may 250 ka. Si C, $100 yung matrix niya, may 50 ka pa rin. Tapos si D, $200 yung matrix income niya, meron ka pa rin 100. And this is on top of your own matrix income. So para mong pinagkakakitaan ng paulit-ulit yung sarili mong matrix. Di ba ang ganda? Kaya nga ito yung nagpapayaman talaga dito sa mga affiliate members dito. And hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dyan kasi as you rank up, pwede kang mag-enjoy up to yung 5th generation. Kasi pag nag-silver ka, may 10% ka pa on the 1st and 2nd generation. Pag nag-gold ka, may 5% ka up to 3rd generation. Pag nag-platinum ka, 5% din pero up to 4th generation na. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to the 5th generation. May tagti 3% pa yan. So yung 50% mo, bukod dun sa 50% mo, possible na magkaroon ka pa ng additional 23% pag umabot ka ng diamond. Okay? So just to show you an illustration, possible income dito. So let's say for example, your first generation, yan yung mga direct sponsor mo. Nakakuha ka halimbawa ng 10. Tapos yung 10 mo, kumikita na ng $100 na lang sa kanilang matrix. Magkano yung 50% nun? $50. Eh 10 sila, may $500 kang matching. Diba? Ngayon yung 10 mo, kumuha ng tag 10, that's an additional 100 in your team. That's already your 2nd generation, silver ka na by then. Kunyari na lang kumikita ng $100 in their matrix, 10% sa'yo, may $10 ka. Eh 100 sila, may $1,000 kang matching. Yung 100, kumuha pa rin ng tag 10, that's an additional 1,000 in your team and you're already a gold. $50 na lang kunyari yung kanilang matrix, 5% sa'yo, that's $2.50. Eh 1,000 sila, that's $2,500. Ngayon, yung 1,000 na bagong sali, kumuha ng tag 5 na lang kunyari. So, additional 5,000 in your team, you're already a platinum by then, 4th generation platinum mo, $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix nila. Ayan, yung sample natin, mabababa yung mga matrix income. Ha? 5% sa'yo, that's $2.50. Eh, 5,000 sila. That's $12,500. Now, if you're a diamond, for example, yung 5,000, kumuha pa rin ng tagli 5. That's an additional 25,000 people in your team. Diamond ka na. $30 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nila. 3% lang yun sa'yo. That's 90 cents. Eh, 25,000 sila. That's $22,500. So, in a month, possible kang kumita ng 39,000 in just your matching bonus. Okay? So just to show you na talagang nangyayari to, kasi nangyayari naman po talaga. Just to show you na nangyayari to, I'm going to show you now an actual earning breakdown. Okay? But before I do that, ano lang po, some disclosure lang po, hindi porkit kinita nila to, it is possible. What I'm saying is, since kinita nila to, posibleng kitain mo rin. Pero I'm telling you, talagang sila, pinaghirapan nila to. Pinaghirapan nilang kitain to. So if you're just going to imitate what they did, then most likely, hindi lang makikitain mo rin to, possible na lagpasan mo pa. Alright. Ayan po, look at the matrix income, 1,388. Pero yung matching niya, $12,367. That's 12 times more than the matrix income. Kaya maganda talaga dito nagpapapromote to the higher rank. Kasi itong taong to, diamond na. Meron na siyang diamond pool na almost $6,000. Hindi ko pa dinidiscuss, meron na siya. Di ba? And then ito pa, another sample. 1,299 naman yung kanyang matrix. Pero yung matching niya, 44,810. Paano nangyari yun? Kasi ang dami niyang directs. Ang dami niyang directs, tapos yung mga directs niya, may sarili na ring matrix income. And then since diamond na siya, he gets to enjoy up to the 5th generation. Kaya po lumalaki talaga yung matching bonus na yan. I'm telling you, kanina pa sinasabi, matching bonus yung magpapayaman sa'yo. Bukod pa yung diamond bonus pool. Kasi si diamond bonus pool, tamo naman, umabot ng 24,000. Kasi crown diamond na siya nung time na yan. Alright? So just to show you, ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung 50% na lang, wag na natin pakialamin yung mga generation bonuses. Let's say for example, you have 20 directs. Tapos yung 20 directs mo did not do the business but waited for their matrix to be filled. Napuno yung matrix nila, umabot ng ilang taon, napuno yung matrix nila, they're receiving 2,047.50 in their matrix. Meron kang $1,023.75 kasi 50% sa'yo, di ba? 20 sila. That's $20,475 monthly matching bonus for you. Magkano yan in peso? 1.1 million pesos po yan. Monthly income. Monthly mong matatanggap 1.1 million. Bakit monthly? Kasi tuloy-tuloy lang naman magbabayad ng subscription yan eh. Kumikita na sila pababayaan pa ba nila yung pagbabayad ng subscription? Diba? Or if they're users, if they're product users, definitely they're enjoying the savings. Meron kasi silang valueng nare-receive whenever they pay their subscription. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang silang magbabayad ng subscription. What if you have 30 directs, tapos yung 30 directs mo kumikita na ng 6,000 sa kanilang matrix income? Now, 3,000 yung sa'yo kasi 50%, 30 sila. That's $90,000 monthly income for you. That's 5 million pesos monthly income for you. Ganyan po kalaki yung matching bonuses natin. At pag yan na ang income mo dito sa Live Good, talagang hindi lang matutupad yung pangarap mo, pangarap ng pamilya mo, baka pangarap ng kapitbahay nyo, matupad mo na rin. Kasi yung kapitbahay mo, yung biyanan mo, o kaya yung bayaw mo. Di ba? Now, there would be people who would tell you straightforward na talagang hindi nila gagawin yung negosyo. Himingi ka na lang, sabi mo, do yourself a favor and do me a favor as well. Instead na ikaw lang, magsama ka ng 2 family member. Asawa mo, tsaka anak mo, isama mo rito. Why? This is what will happen to him. Eventually, pag napuno na yung mga matrix nila, he would receive, as bronze, he would receive 4,095.50 in his matrix. Tapos yung dalawa, each would receive 2,047.50 times 2, that's $4,095. Plus, meron kang 50% kasi mga direct mo sila, may matching bonus kang 50%, that's an additional 2,047.50. Pag tinotal mo yan, naabot ng $10,238. Okay? So, instead of him receiving only 2,047.50 eventually, the whole family is receiving $10,238 monthly income. Magkano yun? Kalahating milyon po yun. 573,000 pesos monthly income. Ganyan po kaganda yan. Kaya ito, pag ginawa mo to sa kaibigan mo, ay pasasalamatan ka ng todong-todo ng kaibigan mo. Alright? Now, here in Dreammaker Worldwide, meron tayong vision. At ang vision natin, 100 solid direct referrals. Ano ibig sabihin ng solid direct? Meaning, ako, gusto ko mag-diamond. Yung mga directs ko, gusto ko maging diamond din sila. Gugustuhin din nilang maging diamond sila. Now, if I have 100 directs, all diamonds, ito mangyayari. Eventually, mapupuno yung matrix namin. Ang matrix income ng diamond, 16,383.50. 50% niyan sa'yo, that's 8,191.75. May 100 kang directs. Lahat sila diamond din. So, you're receiving $819,175 monthly income. Magkano yan in peso? 45.8 million pesos monthly income. I'm telling you, if this is your income, talagang ang dami nyo na pong taong mabibless. Most likely, yung church na pinupuntahan nyo, well-blessed na rin. Yung community to where you are living in, well-blessed na rin po yan. Not only with your family, ang dami nyo ng foundation na matutulungan dito. Baka makapagpatayo pa kayo ng sarili nyong foundation to help those who are really in need. Diba? So, ambisyonin nyo po yan. Be a diamond and lahat ng madedirects mo dito, make them diamonds as well. Diba? And abutin nyo yan, 100 directs. Doesn't have to happen immediately, not in 1 year, not in 2 years, pero eventually, aabot ng 100 yung directs mo and eventually lahat sila magda-diamond. And eventually, lahat yung matrix nyo mapupuno. And that would be your income. And yes, pag ganyan na yung income nyo, i-release po ni Live Good yan sa inyo. Now, how do you get promoted the simple way? Meron po rin tayong strategy dyan. Remember, the name of the game is duplication. So what do you do? Instead of just getting 2, kasi yung pag-get 2, pampapuno lang ng matrix yan. Instead of just getting 2, you get 3, so you will be promoted. You get 3 and teach them to get 3. Okay? Ito ang mangyayari sa'yo. On your first week, syempre, ikaw pa lang, and then, makakakuha ka ng 3, tapos yung 3 kukuha ng tagatlo, that's an additional 9, then 27, 81. On the 7th week pa lang po, kung talagang nangyayari to weekly, on the 7th week pa lang, diamond ka na. Kasi ang requirement lang to become a diamond, you need to have 2,500 active members in your team. Okay? On the 10th week pa lang po, Crown Diamond ka na. Kasi ang kailangan lang sa Crown Diamond, 50,000 active members. And yes, doable po yan kasi meron na tayong 2 Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. At yung pangalawa po, Pilipino. Siya yung nagsimula dito ng Live Good sa Philippines, si Coach Fernan Santiago. Alright? Kaya yung pag-rank up dito, yung pag-promote dito, doable po. And by the 11th week, umaapaw na yung matrix mo if you do this. So instead of just getting 2, you get 3. Get 3, teach them to get 3 and repeat. Okay. Now, retail commission. Now, before we go to the retail commission, let's go to the retail commission muna. Retail commission, ang gagamitin na naman po natin dito is the Unilevel. Napansin nyo kanina, nung nagpapakita ako ng mga products, may retail price tsaka may members price. Ang gagawin lang po ng company, kukunin yung difference nun. So let's say, for example, the retail price is $20, the members price is $10, may difference na $10. Ngayon, dun sa $10, kukuha ng 50% nun, yun yung magiging retail commission mo. Alright? Ang maganda niyan, if you rank up, you get to enjoy up to level 10. Now, there would be time na hindi mo na alam kung saan galing, hindi na dun sa Live Good Shop mo kumuha yung tao. Kumuha dun sa Live Good Shop nung nasa 10th level mo. Hindi mo na nga kilala yun eh. Diba? Yet, babayaran ka ni Live Good. Kasi, ikaw naman yung nagpakilala ng Live Good. Kumbaga, kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi malalaman ng tao doon sa 10th level mo about Live Good. And that's your reward for doing that. Alright? Now, meron din tayong influencer bonus. Ano yung mga influencer? Yan yung mga sikat na sa TikTok o sa YouTube. Ang gagawin mo lang, magkanaw ka ng kape, inumin mo, tapos sabihin mo doon sa followers mo, sabihin mo, bumili kayo ng kape dito sa Live Good Shop ko. And since they're your followers, they will follow you. They would buy from your Live Good Shop. And when that happens, nag-i-increase yung retail volume sales mo. Pag umabot ng 2,500, yung 50% na binibigay sa'yo, dadagdagan ng 10, making it 60. Pag umabot ng 5,000, magiging 70 yan kasi 20 na yung nadagdag. All the way up to 50,000, whereby instead of just receiving 50%, you'll get the whole 100%. Kasi dadagdagan ng additional 50% yung 50% mo. Alright? Ganyan yung influencer bonus. Kaya may kita rin po sa product sales if you choose to do that. Ngayon, meron pa. Remember dun sa mga, sabi ko, magre-refer kayo dito na. Ngayon, yung mga bagong na-refer nyo, if they decide to buy products dun sa unang purchase nila or sa unang acquisition nila, meron ka pang marireceive na 10%. Additional. Bagong-bago po yun, kaya wala pa sa slides ko. Pero yun po yung pinaka-gist nun. Sa unang purchase lang po, up to $300 lang din. So kung halimbawa umorder sila sa unang purchase niya, umabot ng 100 or let's say umabot ng $200 yung kanyang purchase. Okay? 10% nun sa'yo. Alright? Now, apart from that, bagong-bago po yun kaya wala pa sa slides ko. Meron din tayong Diamond Bonus Pool. Ito po kagandahan ng magpa-promote ng Diamond kasi para kang magiging shareholder. Ano yung Diamond Bonus Pool na yan? Lahat po ng kinita ng LiveGood from product sales, from affiliate, from subscription, i-add po yan, ito total yan, and then kukurot ng 2%. Tapos yung 2% na yan, paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng Diamond nung pay period na yon. Okay, so let's say for example, kumita si LiveGood ng let's say 10 million na lang. Yung 10 million, 2% niyan, that's 200,000. Yung 200,000 na yan, paghahati-hatian po yan ng lahat ng Diamond sa buong mundo. And I'm telling you, hindi po bumababa ng 3,000. Nagre-range anywhere from 3,000 to 6,000 ang Diamond Bonus Pool. Nakita nyo naman kanina, di ba? 5,900 yung Diamond Bonus Pool niya. Lalo na last month, grabe, kasi nagkaroon ng promo, tapos, it's a holiday, maraming bumili ng mga products, talagang ang laki po ng Diamond Bonus Pool nila, kaya tuwan-tuwa ang mga naging Diamond. So, bakit ka papayag na hindi ka Diamond? The moment you join LiveGood, yun yung unahin mong goal, maging Diamond the soonest possible time. In fact, maging Crown Diamond. Kasi si Crown Diamond, bukod sa may share na dun sa Diamond Pool na 2%, meron pa siyang additional 0.5% na paghahati-hatian ng mga Crown Diamonds. And currently, we have 2 Crown Diamonds. Balikan natin yung example ko, 10 million ang kinita ni LiveGood. Magkano yung 0.5%? That's $50,000. Dalawa silang naghati. Each of them received $25,000. Ganyan po kalaki. Ganyan ka-generous si LiveGood. Now, if you become Diamond and Crown Diamond, para ka nang may share ng company. Right? Now, ito kagandahan yan. Ito kagandahan yan. Yung mga Diamond natin ngayon, tsaka mga Crown Diamond, once upon a time, pareho lang kayo. Nakinig lang siya sa isang Zoom meeting na to, nainganyo, sumali, tapos tinrabaho. And then they reach Crown Diamond. Ano ibig kong sabihin? Ang ibig kong sabihin, we are on equal footing right now. If you become an affiliate member, you have the chance to become Crown Diamond yourselves. Kasi nagawa na eh. Nagawa na nila eh. And saan sila nagsimula? Sa katulad din natin, affiliate member lang. Nagpa-rank up until they reach the highest rank. Right? Now, if you're not a member yet, mag-member ka na. Di ba? Bayaran mo na yung $49.95. 3,000 lang naman yan eh. Baka nga mas mahal pa yung suot mong sapatos ngayon eh. Alright? And if you're not convinced yet, let me give you top 4 reasons why you should join. Number 1, we just officially launched. 1 year pa lang tayo. Batang-bata pa po si LiveGood. As a matter of fact, we're still on our pillar stage. Wala pa po tayo sa pioneering stage. Tinatayo pa lang po ang pundasyon ni LiveGood. Ang maganda niyan, yung unang mga maniniwala, sila yung unang makaka-benefit. Alright? So, time to join is now. And then, high-quality products at very affordable prices. Nakita niyo naman kanina yung difference natin sa ibang brands. Marketing system tools and trainings. Yes, this is one of the tools you can actually use and abuse. Understandable naman po kung bago kayo dito, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-present. So kami magpe-present, kami magko-close, pero yung account sa inyo. Diba? Eventually, kung kaya nyo nang gawin yung presentation, then do the presentation yourself. Yes, you can do it yourself. Alright? Aralin lang po natin. Kasi kami naman, lahat ng alam namin, nanggaling nang din sa website, sa pag-aaral, sa YouTube, which is available also for you. Alright? Ayan po. And every Monday nga pala, meron tayong training. Every day itong Zoom na to, except Monday and Sunday. Kasi Monday nga training and recognition. And then sa international naman, meron tayong Thursday, US time, Friday also US time, tapos Monday US time for the product training. So talagang mabubusog ka ng trainings dito. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo magawa yung business provided you plug into all the trainings that are available. And then, top 4 reason would be a simple, powerful, lucrative, and very generous pay plan. Nakita nyo naman kanina, di ba, kung magkano yung pinamimigay na pera ni LiveGood. Pwedeng-pwede po natin gawin yan. Ang kagandahan nito, we are just on the tip of the iceberg. Yung 994,000 paid members, wag po kayo mamangha dyan kasi yung future ni LiveGood, mas malaki dyan. Aabutin natin yung mga naabot ng ibang subscription company na 200 million members. Baka lagpasan na natin, baka lagpasan pa nga natin yun eh. Baka umabot pa tayo ng 500 million or even a billion members. The question is, asan ka when that happens? Kasi guess what? With the way it is structured, yung mga bagong sasali, they have nowhere to go but sa ilalim lang natin. 'Di ba? Now, if you're already a member, don't let go of your subscription. Pay your subscription. First of the month pa lang, bayaran mo na yung subscription mo kahit ang due date mo sa 25th pa. Huwag ka nang bumitaw kasi andyan ka na eh, nakaposition ka na eh. Sinabi ko nga, abangan mo na lang yung paglago talaga. Lalaki po at lalaki si LiveGood. Kitang-kita yan sa vision ng ating mga corporate team. They have a vision, a 30-year, 40-year vision, and they have seen how LiveGood will expand. Alright? Hintayin nyo lang po. Darating at darating. Lalo na ngayon, the corporate, meron tayong naaamoy-amoy na may gagawin si corporate na talagang tayong mga affiliate members ang magbebenepisyo. Alright, so with that, I leave the decision to you kasi decision mo yan eh. In fact, let me tell you first na lahat tayo, we're making decisions every day. Some of our decisions, actually, pagising pa lang natin, nagde-decide na tayo, babangon na ba ako o matutulog pa ako for another 10 minutes? That's a decision already, di ba? Some of the decision makes our life better. Some of the decision makes our life worse. Or some of our decisions doesn't change our life at all. But the decision is something that we have to make. And you are now being asked to make a decision. Now, you have 3 options. Number 1 is letter A, I'm in. Okay, kung yan yung napili mo, I'm in, excited ka, type mo sa chat box, I'm in. So if that is you, you register now with your sponsors link and then pay for the $49.95 and you become an affiliate member immediately. And then work your way up to be promoted to the crown diamond position. Or pwede rin naman, decision mo is B, I want to shop at member's price. So become a member. Instead of $49.95, bayaran mo lang $9.95. You're a member, you get to enjoy the high-quality products at the most affordable prices. Right? Or, pwede ka ring C, no thanks, it's not for me. We understand. Okay lang yon. But don't waste wag niyong sayangin yung opportunity to use the product. Bumili ka pa rin ng products kasi talagang napakaganda niya. So what do you do? Sa mga nag-invite sa'yo, may shop link siya. Hingin mo yung shop link, doon ka na mag-shop. Diba? Doon ka na mag-shop, bilhin mo yung product sa retail. And then eventually, when you decide na to be in, balikan mo si sponsor mo. Tapos sabi mo, I'm in na. A na ako. A. Sige nga, dami ba nag-A? Parang wala akong nakita nag-A ah. Yes, Andy Bicol, yan. So yan, it's your decision. Pero kung ako tatanungin, I'd choose to become an affiliate. At hindi ko na palalagpasin yung gabi. Alright? Kasi, let me help you. Let me help you make your decision. This can be you today. Posibleng overwork ka, underpaid, financially unsecured. Or pwede ring well-paid ka. Diba? Kaso wala kang time. Or pwede rin namang OFW ka. Maganda kita mo. Yes, kaso nangungulila ka sa family mo. Question, if you're any of this, what awaits you when you retire? When finally wala ka ng kinikita, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung gastos. I want you to think deeply about this. And then I want you to imagine this. Imagine if you do LiveGood today. Where will you be in the coming years? Actually, hindi na years yan eh. Possible mangyari tong mga to in months. Kasi nakita na namin. LiveGood is only a year old, pero ang dami na pong buhay na nabago ni LiveGood. Most affiliate members here they have more income than bills at the end of each month. Kaya hindi na nila problema yung due date tsaka yung mga due na yan. Di ba? They have more time to spend with their family and friends kasi completely online si Live Good. And then they have the freedom to work when, where, and with whom they choose. Ang tanungan nga dito, saan tayo magtatrabaho ngayon? Sa Boracay ba? Sa beach ba? Sa bahay lang ba? And this is more exciting. Imagine a life without debt. Kasi with that kind of income, talagang kaya mong bayaran lahat ng utang mo. Alright? At nangyayari na po yan. Nangyayari na po yan. Unti-unti na pong nababayaran ng mga utang dito sa Live Good. And guess what? If you're debt-free, mas malaki yung giving mo. And the more you give, the more you will be blessed. Okay? And you can take vacation as often as you like. And all of this will happen when you do Live Good. Kaya ako, if I were you, I'd choose letter A. I'm in. And then, hindi ko na palalagpasin tong gabing to, magre-register ako, tutuloy-tuloy ko na sa pagbabayad. Kasi Live Good is actually the vehicle that can change your life for the better. And you deciding to become part of Live Good will be the best decision you've ever made. All right? All right. So with that, I want to say thank you for joining me in this